Have you ever wondered about the journey of a golf ball? Such a simple object, yet its design and texture are a marvel of engineering. Each dimple, each curve crafted with a purpose. This is the protagonist of our tale, a humble golf ball. Now imagine that moment when the club meets the ball. It's a moment of pure energy transfer, a slow-motion ballet of force and response. You see, it's not just about hitting the ball, it's about understanding how every minute detail, every tiny adjustment can change the trajectory and the outcome. The ball takes flight, a graceful arc against the sky, each rotation a testament to the power and precision behind the swing. It dances in the wind, defying gravity before landing delicately on the green, rolling, stopping. The journey of a golf ball is not just a flight across the course, it's a tale of precision and power. From the sky, the journey of a golf ball paints a different picture. It's a silent saga of perseverance, unfazed by the challenges that lie ahead. As we ascend, we see the vast expanse of the golf course, a canvas on which our little protagonist etches its path. Every stroke sends the ball on a journey, crossing fairways and greens, over bunkers and through the wind, each a testament to the golfer's skill and precision. The course, a beautiful harmony of manicured greens and azure water bodies, punctuated by pockets of sand traps, is more than just a battleground. It's a stage where the ball performs its ballet, a testament to the artistry that is golf. As the sun rises and sets, the course takes on a new persona, basking in the golden hues of dawn and dusk. It's a sight to behold, a spectacle of serenity and focus. From above, the journey of a golf ball is a dance with the elements, a test of distance and direction. From the player's perspective, the journey of a golf ball is a test of skill and focus. It's a ballet of precision and power, a masterclass in control. The golfer's stance, a study in balance, is as crucial as the swing technique itself, a blend of strength and subtlety. The moment of impact, the crisp sound of club meeting ball, is a culmination of countless hours spent on the practice range, honing the perfect swing. Behind every shot lies a tale of dedication and hard work, a narrative of early mornings and late evenings spent under the watchful gaze of a setting sun. This is where champions are made, in the quiet solitude of the training ground, away from the applause and accolades. Here, every swing is a step towards mastery, every putt a lesson in patience. From the player's perspective, the journey of a golf ball is a testament to training, focus, and determination. In the end, the journey of a golf ball is a story of triumph and defeat. It's a tale that begins with the powerful, calculated drive where the ball is thrust into the air, embarking on a journey that's as unpredictable as it is exhilarating. The flight of the ball is a ballet of physics, a dance between gravity and momentum, a testament to the golfer's skill and precision. As the ball arcs gracefully across the sky, it's not just the golfer's technique that's on display, but also their focus and dedication. It's a reminder that every swing is the culmination of countless hours of practice, of learning to master not just the body, but also the mind. And when the ball finally lands, rolling towards the hole, it becomes a symbol of achievement, a reflection of the golfer's unyielding spirit and relentless pursuit of perfection. The journey of a golf ball is a mirror to the golfer's spirit, a combination of power, precision, focus, and relentless training. In golf, as in life, the journey matters just as much as the destination.